Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making homemade bread rolls.
You're going to need 5 cups of flour, 1 cup of warm water, 1 cup of warm milk, 1/4 cup of oil, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg yolk, and 8 tablespoons of butter. Start by placing the flour in a bowl. Using a spoon, make a well in the center. Add yeast. Add sugar. Then pour in the warm milk. Stir gently for about 5 minutes to activate the yeast. Next, add the salt, then 1/4 cup of oil, and finally, the warm water. Knead the dough until it becomes soft, smooth, and no longer sticky. This is what it's supposed to look like, smooth and soft. Lightly oil a bowl and place the dough inside. Coat the dough with a little oil. Cover it with plastic wrap. And a towel and set it aside to rise. When the dough doubles in size, take it out and knead it lightly. Shape it into a ball and divide it into 12 equal parts. Shape each part into a small ball. Cover with plastic wrap and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Roll out the dough as thinly as possible into a rectangular shape. Brush with melted butter. Then fold 1/3 down. Brush again with butter. And fold the bottom third over. Turn it to the side and roll it out again. adjusting slightly by hand to make it even. Then roll it as tightly as possible. Repeat this with all the dough. When you finish rolling, take the first roll and gently stretch it with your fingers. Then join one end with the other by tucking one end into the other. Stretch the dough slightly and press to seal. This is how it should look. Repeat this with all the rolls. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and place them with enough space between each. Cover with a cloth and let rest for 10 minutes. Beat 1 egg yolk and brush over each roll. Preheat the oven to 360 and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. And here they are, ready. Look at how beautiful they are, crispy on the outside and soft inside. Enjoy. You won't believe how incredible these are until you try them. Golden, crispy perfection on the outside with a melt-in-your-mouth soft center that's pure bliss. This is a must-bake experience that will have you savoring every bite. Dig in and let the deliciousness blow you away.
I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.